Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can disable Camera Auto FPS on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the Camera app. In here, tap on the Settings button. And in Settings, you will see that Auto FPS is disabled. So if it is disabled for you, you need to go back into your camera and select video and then tap on the Settings button. And in here, Auto FPS will now become active, and in here you can choose to switch it on or switch it off. And that's it. It said that with Auto FPS, we record brighter videos in low light conditions by automatically optimizing the frame rate in video mode. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.